All right, everybody, welcome back. My name is Gillis the Kid, and this time we're going to be talking about Samsung's Evo Select and Pro Plus micro SD cards. They are the smaller versions of the bigger SD cards used for cameras. We're going to be talking a little bit about it, so let's get into it. Now, Evo Select and Pro Plus, they're very similar micro SD cards. Now, Evo Select, they come in different storage options. So it comes in 64, 128, 256 is the one you see right here. And it also comes in 512. 256 will give you about 15 hours of video. And you can get this for about $27. Now, a couple of things to know is, like, this is the micro SD card. So they come very small. They also come in the package with these SD adapters. So the micro SD card will basically slide into the adapter, and then you can place it inside of a computer or any type of device if you wanted to, like, download pictures and video, or maybe you wanted to just print something out. And there's some numbers here. So for 4K, you have V30. You also have A2, that's the class. And then you have like a little number 3 there with a 10. So, you know, if you're looking for a 4K micro SD card, make sure you see those numbers on there. And then the transfer speeds is 130 megabytes per second, which is very fast for you know, most SD cards out now. Now 256, normally I go with that storage option because it's tested for most of the devices that I use. But you know, if you want more storage, it's going to cost you a lot more money. And then you have the Pro Plus, which is an even faster micro SD card. That's how it looks. It's small, just like the other one. It has the same numbers, so you got V30, A2, 3, and 10. That's for 4K Ultra HD resolution. And once again, the micro SD card will slide into the SD adapter if you want to place it inside of a computer. And then this is the read and write speeds. So you have 160 megabytes per second. And write speeds of 120 megabytes per second. And you can use these SD cards for smartphones, cameras, action cams, and drones. Pretty much anything that would use a micro SD card of this size. And the read and write speeds of Samsung cards are pretty much spot on. If you want to take a look at those, I'll drop the link down into the description. Just keep in mind that when you put these micro SD cards inside of the adapters, sometimes the read and write speeds can get a little lower. If you get a 64 gig card, sometimes the read and write speeds can be lower as well too. And the Pro Plus SD cards, they come in, well, they start at 128, 256, and 512. This is the maximum amount you can get right here. And I'm gonna put this Evo Select card inside of my Nintendo Switch, and I'm gonna put the Pro Plus inside of my Steam Deck. So I feel like if I put the Pro Plus inside of a Nintendo Switch, that would be a little bit of an overkill, but I'll use this for the Switch and I'll use this for the Steam Deck. And these cards, they come in like packs of 2 also. You can get them from Samsung.com, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Target. But I'm going to drop the links down into the description in case if you want to buy these. Like I said before, the read and write speeds are always pretty much spot on. I've used these cards before, and I also use them when I record, and I've never had a problem with them. But let me know what you think about the Samsung Evo Select and the Pro Plus micro SD cards. I'm gonna have some more videos coming up pretty soon. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.